how to hide a specific story from someone on Instagram. So if you want to hide a specific story from someone on Instagram, then first open up your Instagram application. Once you open your Instagram, now you can simply go for your story, which is on the upper left, and you can either go for the camera or you can simply choose a photo right now to add to your story. So I'll be choosing something from the camera, or I'll be taking a photo right now. And now if you want to hide your story, then what you need to do is simply go for the bottom arrow, which is on the bottom right. Tap on the arrow and then you need to tap on share. Once you tap on share, tap on done and wait for the story to upload. So once it's uploaded, you need to simply tap and open up that story, and here you can simply go for the bottom, which has that more option. Tap on the more, and here you will have story settings. Tap on story settings and then you will have hide story from. Tap on that and then you can choose the persons that you would like to hide your story. So once you've chosen, tap on done, which is on the upper right, and that's it. You have hide your story from that person. So that's it. That's how you can hide your story on your Instagram. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.